In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Govee Home app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. On your Android device, locate the Play Store icon, which usually looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on this icon will launch the store. Once it opens, you will see a variety of apps, games, and other digital content available for download. The Play Store is the official app marketplace for Android, and using it ensures that you download safe and verified applications. This is an important step because downloading from unverified sources can compromise the security of your device. Next, tap on the search bar located at the top of the screen. The search bar is a white box where you can enter keywords or the names of apps you want to find. Once you tap on it, your keyboard will pop up, allowing you to type. This is where you will input the name of the app you are looking for. A clear and concise search helps you find the correct app quickly, which saves you time. Now, type in Govee Home in the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly to ensure that the search yields the right results. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature helps you find the app faster by providing hints as you go. Once you finish typing, look for the search icon on your keyboard and tap it to see the results. From there, you will need to select Govee Home by Govee from the list of results. This is crucial because there may be multiple apps with similar names. Ensure that you choose the official app developed by Govee, as this will provide you with the features you need for controlling your Govee devices. You can identify it by the developer's name listed below the app title. Next up, tap on the Install button. This button is usually located on the app's page right next to the app icon. When you tap Install, the app will begin downloading to your device. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is essential because it allows you to access the app and start using it to manage your Govee devices. After that, you will need to wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet connection speed, this can take just a few moments. Be patient, as this step ensures that the app is fully downloaded and ready for use. Once the download is complete, you will see an Open button replace the Install button. Now, tap on the Open button to launch the Govee Home app. This action takes you directly into the app, where you can start the setup process. You will be greeted with a welcome screen that introduces the app's features. This is an exciting moment, as you are now ready to take control of your smart devices. Next, you will need to sign in or create a Govee account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. If not, you can easily create one by following the prompts. Having an account is important because it allows you to save your preferences and sync your devices across multiple platforms. After signing in, allow the requested permissions if prompted. The app may request access to your location, Bluetooth, and other features necessary for it to function properly. Granting these permissions is crucial for the app to connect with your Govee devices effectively. Once you allow these permissions, you will see confirmation that the settings have been saved. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Govee Home app devices. This process typically involves connecting your smart devices to the app and configuring their settings. Pay close attention to the steps provided as they guide you through seamless integration. This part is vital because it makes sure your devices work properly and enhances your overall experience. Now you are all set to enjoy the full functionality of the Govee Home app on your Android device. Thank you for watching.